On this video, I'm going to do a easy sandwich wrapper, and that starts right now. Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, it's me again, Sofea, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to do a sandwich wrapper. So this sandwich wrapper is actually my English project that my teacher asked. My teacher asked me to do a recipe, a healthy recipe of my own. You can do it with your pair or just by yourself. And this one I'm doing it with my friend Safiyyah. So yeah, let's get back to the sandwich wrapper. So these are the ingredients. We're gonna use some mushrooms, some chicken, some onions, some lettuce, some tomatoes, some salt and pepper for marinating the chicken, the wrapper, cheese sauce, the chili sauce, and some mayo. So yeah, those are all the ingredients. So let's get started. First, I'm going to put the chicken. Wait. Oh yeah, and I forgot. I'm doing this video with my friend Safiyyah over there. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so let's get started. So say I haven't roasted the chicken yet.
What's the first step?
What?
What's the first step?
Have to roast the chicken first. You just have to put just a bit oil. Alright, I put the chicken there. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, so while that, I think I'm gonna put the mushroom too. Just a little bit of oil. So I think we should put the onions. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the chicken. How are they doing? They look great already. So we're gonna wait a little bit more for the chicken, and I'm gonna stir more the mushrooms. But I think they look already done, so I'm gonna put them in. So there. Okay, I think the chicken is ready. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, so I got the chicken. Okay. Phew, it is hot. Okay, so I roasted the chicken, so I'm gonna take the wrap. Okay, so and then next I'm gonna put the lettuce. Okay, so after I put the lettuce, I'm gonna put the tomato. Okay, there I put the tomato, and then I'm gonna put the onion. It's okay. There. Alright. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the chicken. Alright. So I think that's enough. Now I'm gonna put the sauces.
Wait, what's that?
The sauces.
Hold on, wait for me.
It's okay. Then I'm gonna put the meal. And then the sauce. Alright, that looks like a pretty full wrap. So I think I'm gonna fold it. I don't even know how to fold it. Wait, let's try. So, okay, I just wrap it like this because it's a little too full, but it's okay. It looks great. Mine's done. It looks great. It's okay, it's my first try. You never know. It looks really big. I'm gonna put this. Ta-dang. Okay, so the ingredients, why we pick these types of ingredients, because the benefits like the chicken is a protein. It can give you energy, and the vegetables like the tomatoes, the mushrooms and the onions, the salad, it's the vegetables, so it can help your skin. It's really good if you eat it. Yeah, so it's really good. So I think I should try this. It's good. Okay guys, so that was all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment on my YouTube channel, the Safiyyah channel here. And don't forget to follow my Instagram, that's Sofea, in the description box below. So okay guys, bye!